Welcome back to Pull-Ups Every Day 160. My mom put this TV here. You get a little bonus of like Christmas the ambiance. I'm gonna try us. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try 21s again. Those are tough. You do 7 full reps, 7 upper range of motion reps, and 7 lower range of motion reps. We've done it before. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7. We're gonna do lower range. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, that freaking hurts. Okay, just like no more than like 10 seconds of rest. No more than like 10 seconds. Okay. We're gonna do the upper range. Okay. So we're here. So we're gonna go. Okay, 1, 2. That hurts so bad. 3. 3. Ow. Okay. 4. 5. I am dying. 5. 2 more. Gosh, 21s are crazy. 6. 7. Yeah. Okay. That's all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos. We're just going crazy. In a few weeks here, bro, we're gonna be half a year in. That's nuts. Okay, bye.